everyone, welcome back. If Tinder notifications are not showing, your device settings may be blocking them. Here's how to fix them. First, open your phone settings, then search for notifications. Then go ahead and scroll down, look for Tinder. Make sure that you have allowed the notifications for Tinder. If not, toggle it on. Then go ahead and in general go to background app refresh and make sure the background app refresh is also on. After that, or Tinder or as well, if it's not, turn it on. After that, disable saver or battery power optimization for the app. Then go ahead and log out of Tinder, then log back in. Restart your phone and test notifications again. After enabling permissions, Tinder notifications should start working instantly.